I love you. You've got me through some hard times. You've helped me do a lot. I'll miss you, but you got to go. Hey y'all, it's been forever, right? Don't get me started. I know, we'll get into it later. By the title of this video, I'm pretty sure you already know what we'll be doing today. I have been waiting for like ever to open this fucking box because I ordered accessories, you know, like a Thunderbolt hub and like a case or whatever, and I've been waiting on it to get here. Hasn't gotten here yet. So you know what? We're about to open this bad boy up. Dun, 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 dun. I've been waiting to get a new laptop for so fucking long, bro. I don't even know, like... Okay, I'm an idiot. You're an idiot. Like from The Grinch. You're an idiot! I don't even know if y'all can see it because my light might be too bright. Okay. What do I do? Okay. Oh. I was gonna cut it, but it has a tab. I'm such a dickhead, bro. I'm such a dickhead. Okay, the moment of truth. Can I get a drum roll, please? If I can get this shit open. I should have did this on the desk. I wasn't prepared at all. I was like, fuck it. OMG. And then it comes like right there. You can't even see it, but it comes like right there. So obviously, you know, a little tab right here, you pull it up. That's how the laptop comes out. Oh, look how thin it is. Hold on. Okay, put her on the bed. And then you know how this goes. Can you even tell? I don't know. You have like the little Apple insert, you know, designed by Apple in California thing. And then you have like the wall adapter piece right there, and then you have right here the little Thunderbolt charging cable. I hope my light isn't too bright. If it is, my bad. Isn't she a beauty? Like, look at this. Like, look at this. Mind you, I've had my laptop, I've had my MacBook Pro since 2012. So, you know, this is important. It has that new car smell. And it comes out like that. And there she is, y'all. You know how people name their cars? I'm gonna take these rings off so I don't scratch up my laptop. But yeah, you know how people name their cars? I'm gonna name my laptop. I think I'm gonna call her, I don't know. Should we open it like while we're sitting down, or should we like put you on